सफर प्यार की राह पर साथ चले हम अगर क्या खबर।
Lovely to meet you yet again. And I've liked that, in this past year, we've met often.
Yes, we have.
Yes. That just shows that you've been doing great work. तो एक बात बताओ, 2021 के लिए आपका नॉन रेजोल्यूशन क्या है? ये मैं सवाल सबसे पूछ रही हूँ.
नॉन रेजोल्यूशन
हाँ.
नहीं है कोई ऐसा, रेजोल्यूशन भी नहीं है, रेजोल्यूशन ना होना ही है आई गेस इज द नॉन रेजोल्यूशन।
सही में. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, अगर निर्मा, माशा, मीरा और काव्या मिथिला से मिले तो क्या होगा?
They're all part of me only. So I think Masha and Nirma will be very shocked at the fact that I'm this crazy. but everyone else is a part of me only.
Lovely. And talking about Masha, such love for Tribhanga, such love. And, being number one on the platform. And as we spoke, you said that the character was absolutely different from you. And when I saw her, I was like, this is not the Mithila I know. Itna sedate, itna chup. What was it like getting under the mind space of this very sorted, calm person who is, life mein jo ho raha hai, ho jaye. It's okay.
I think there was a lot of unlearning involved because what I know is this and is being loud and chirpy and all of that, and to just be calm and composed just doesn't come naturally to me. But it was all in the writing, yeah. I feel like as actors we had very little like extra things to do because it was so easily written. uh, Her direction was also so easy to understand also because I think the fact that she's also an actor, it just comes like she understands the language that actors understand, I guess. So it wasn't so hard. I didn't have to overthink it. I usually don't overthink a character because the minute I start overthinking then फिर मुझे पता नहीं आगे क्या हो जाता है.
जी.
लेकिन मैंने बस ध्यान से सुना, मेरा डायरेक्शन जो दिया गया था और मेरी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी ठीक से, और I tried to be calm and composed, and then of course once the camera was off I could be myself.
Awesome. And I know we all spoke, but the bonhomie amongst the three of you, the four of you actually was amazing. And as you were told, ye to Mithila to sirf gaati rehti thi, but ये set in comparison to the other sets, इसमें कुछ difference दिखा आपको? Because so much female energy can also be volatile, or do you think it was cooler?
It was so much cooler. It was so much cooler. My God, I had so much. I mean, I remember आप जब इंटरव्यू ले रहे थे, आई थिंक आपको वो एक्सपीरियंस मिल ही गया होगा क्योंकि उनके सामने मैं बातें नहीं करती हूँ. मुझे तो बड़े मजे आते हैं बस सुनने में कि वो सब एक दूसरे के साथ एक दूसरे की टांगे खींचते रहती है. We've always been, I think, laughing only. मतलब मुझे याद है एक बड़ा मतलब obviously the film is only very emotionally heavy. It's not like anything is एकदम मतलब कुछ हंसी मजाक में चीजें हो रही है, ऐसे कभी हुआ नहीं है वो फिल्म में. very few like light moments the film has that in
Yeah,
that sense.
true.
But off camera we were completely different. Like अगर कोई हमारे सेट पे आता तो वो सोचता कि आप एक्चुअली बना कैसे हो. Are you sure you're making Tripanga? Because we used to have so much energy, so much like fun energy on set, that too like we all had to, I think, just take a moment to get back and compose ourselves to go back to our characters because we used to laugh a lot. We used to talk a lot about food. We used to eat together. Kunal Rai Kapoor used to get us brun muska from City Bakery every once in a while, which we used to eat together like a community, big happy family. So yeah.
और awesome. और एक और चीज मैंने नोटिस की है, आपकी नेटफ्लिक्स पे ना देयर अराउंड लाइक 5 रिलीजेस तो आपकी हो ही गई हैं टाइप्स. यू आर द न्यू नेटफ्लिक्स गर्ल. वो पहले कहते थे ना, राधिका apte is the Netflix, now it's now
Yes.
Mithila. So अब कैसा लगता है ना? I think Netflix should just have a show for you, Mithila.
I
एक
think so.
segment.
I think Netflix should now have a show, and now we should now start expanding our empire to like the West also. धीरे धीरे.
Totally. और एक और बात बताओ, you also have been a creator. And like you, there's been Prajakta. A lot of people have made वो बोलते हैं ना, they've gone to the other side.
Yeah.
But कैसा लगता है for somebody who's so independent, taking her creative decisions, and then when she's told कि ऐसे नहीं वैसे नहीं, कभी आपका जो अंदर का creator होता है कि they should do it like that, or do you just go with like it's okay?
Most of the times I go with the flow, also because I'm
Hmm.
a 100% director's actor, 100%, and I
हाँ,
feel like
हाँ.
and I'm the story's actor. मतलब I'm not bigger than the story, I'm not bigger than the, you know,
Hmm.
the character or whatever the project. So I
Hmm.
feel like you submit to
Hmm.
it, and it is important to understand your director's vision, it is important to understand your actor's vision, I mean your writer's vision, and then do accordingly. तो मुझे ऐसे कभी वो प्रेशर नहीं आया कि oh my god. And of course as actors also, if you want to give an input, there's always a window, and there's always a room for discussion. It's never कि नहीं तुम ये नहीं सकती हो.
जी.
So far the sets that I've been on, if I've ever had to improv anything, I have been given the liberty to do it.
So you were saying you were given the liberty to give in your inputs. हम लोग वहाँ थे.
So far, जहाँ भी whatever projects I've done, I've always had the liberty to give my inputs. I've always had the liberty to improv certain scenes, unless like there is something very very specific that the director wants. And even the improvisations that I've done have been very subjective, मतलब scene wise या project wise or whatever situation wise के whether they worked or not. तो edit पे वो फिर वो अलग खेल हो जाता है. लेकिन I've never been stopped to explore.
Yeah.
But I like to submit to a project. I like to understand the vision of the director and the writer, and to understand what they expect from me as an actor to get to the table. And it's a collaborative effort, so it's never been a restriction of sorts or anything.
आपके लिए कुछ सवाल आए हैं आपके फैंस से. So Meera from Girl in the City is ambitious young woman who sorts of keeps to herself, while Kavya is all hearts. If you could cut, copy, paste traits of both the characters, how would you reframe them?
Cut, copy. I don't want to reframe them. I like the girls for who they are, because and I think they've given me also parts of them, so I feel like they are also they are, I think, parts of me, and I have left like parts of me in them. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो अलग अलग अगर reframe करना होता है तो मैं बन जाऊंगी मतलब उसमें से. तो yeah, I'd like them to be the way they are.
तो एक और ने पूछा है कि your characters resemble the youth of today. Once, you've been a designer, a translator, reckless college student, a corporate employee, और वो सीधी साधी लड़की वो भी मिलती हैं हमको. So which of these characters did you relate most with when you were playing like ये तो मैं ही हूँ?
Kavya. Kavya. Some little things.
So someone has said you're also very full of conviction, and which I've also noticed you're very relatable. The way you dress up, the way you talk, it's could just be my neighbor. But how do you make every one of your characters so believable? Is there a prep involved, or it's like bindas?
Again, like I told you, I go with the flow. I don't overthink it. I trust the process. I trust the vision of the writer and the director, and I don't. It is what it is. It's in your script. It's in the story. Then you have to just give the character a body shape and form, and you become their voice, and that's your job. So that's what I do, because I don't think I have prepped extra. I think Nirma I actually have rehearsed, but even Masha, for that matter, we've not had any kind of a rehearsal per se. But Nirma I had to rehearse also because she speaks a different language. I had to learn Mandarin. She has a very very peculiar body language, so that was again something that I had to unlearn and learn as the character. So those kind of little things I had to learn. But I don't overthink my characters. I just get into the skin of the character, and once the camera is on, the switches off. So
Okay, now internet. I know, yaar. I mean, now this internet, when you first started, you were one of the first few, creating content, and aajkal, everyone's got a channel. Everyone's creating content. Everyone has Insta, TikTok, sab ho raha hai. Where do you see this going? Where do you see this going?
only going to grow. I mean, it's unfathomable, right? Because even in 2016, when we started working, in 2015, when I started working on the internet, uh,
Hmm.
on shows, and then 2016 life took off for me, I think. But
Hmm.
on the internet again, it
Yeah.
was not something that I had planned or I had the foresight of. And I think I will speak for myself. Maybe my producers, I'm sure they had some kind of a vision. For me as an artist, I was just lapping anything up that, every opportunity like that, like any story that I definitely felt compelled to tell, any
Hmm.
content that I felt compelled to be part of, I was just grabbing those opportunities with both hands. And internet became my home. And then to see what happened to it just within a span of 2 years, that only was unfathomable for me. So I can't even imagine what will happen beyond this. But I was just talking to somebody some time ago, and I was like, in a diverse country like India, there will be pros and cons of creating content. Okay,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
the best part about it is that हर एक के लिए कुछ तो है, हर
Say.
तरह का कंटेंट चलेगा, हर जने मतलब everyone will have an audience, because whatever content you create, there will always be a bunch of people who will want to watch it. So
True.
whether like X number of people will want to watch it, Y group of people would want to watch some other kind of there will always be an audience. And that's the fantastic part about, being content creators. We should just, I'm so glad that people are taking to YouTube and just creating, because that's something that even when I started, I used to tell them that just start a YouTube channel. If you have a story to tell, and you're worried about कौन मुझे कास्ट करेगा, कहाँ मुझे प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा, आज इंटरनेट इज योर प्लेटफॉर्म, इट इज योर प्लेग्राउंड. जस्ट लाइक make the most of it. So you can only imagine what will happen
True.
now beyond this. It's just going to go crazy, and it's
What
exciting. I find it very exciting.
and what if YouTube एक दिन गायब हो जाए तो?
तो we'll find another way यार. ऐसे content creators से रुकते नहीं है. We always find ways to maneuver around things and still tell the stories that we want to tell. So there's nothing stopping us.
True. And do you also feel with OTT platforms वो फिल्म का वो होता है ना, जैसे people are making the transition होता था, creators then go to films, वो फिर films में अपना होता है, typecast होते हैं. But do you feel in the middle this OTT platform has blurred the lines and there is space for everybody? Do you think it's a,
100
and you can tell as many stories?
100%. In addition to what I just said before this, I feel like now there is a common ground for all of us. ऐसे नहीं है कि मतलब फिल्म के एक्टर्स ओटीटी पे आ रहे हैं, ओटीटी के एक्टर्स फिल्म्स में काम कर रहे हैं, ये सब तो हो ही रहा है. बट that means now we are one unit, we are one entity, and we can now collaborate with each other and create so many more stories and tell so many more stories. And I just can't say it enough. I've been saying this for a while, but this is the most exciting time to be part of the entertainment industry because of these reasons. Okay, you'll always have an audience, and there is so much to do. There is so much to do now suddenly. So it's like you figure a way out and tell your story, man, because that's important.
Jasween ने एक सवाल पूछा है कि you said your biggest inspiration has been Priyanka Chopra. What is the thing about her that inspires you? I know that woman packs in some 72 hours in a day. वो तो मुझे पता है. वो सब कुछ करती है.
I know. Now I feel like when I look at her, I'm like, how does she do it? But what about her inspires me is the fact that exactly she does so much and so many things, and at a global level, not just like she's
True.
gone from somewhere to some other place, and still built an empire of her own. She sings, she dances, she acts, she produces, she's a philanthropist. मतलब तुम नाम लो और वो करती है. So
सही में.
and that is so inspiring, because I have always been a very restless kid. मतलब मुझसे ये ऐसा एक चीज करो और खुश रहो नहीं होता. My grandfather has always told me you're a jack of all trades, master of none. But so be it. मुझे उसी में मजा आता है, and I think that's what I look up to her for. Okay, she's amazing, and she does so many things, and someday I won't want to be able to do so many things and at a global level.
True. When did Mithila have a starstruck moment?
When I met Gulzar Saab for the
Wow.
first time.
Wow. And what was it like working with Irfan?
Incredible. It was incredible. He's always had a childlike energy. I remember
True.
after Karva, he was just about to start a web show that he was going to be part of, and he was very curious to know कि कैसे होता है, फिर कौन होता है ऑडियंस, फिर आप कैसे काम करते हो, फिर कंटेंट कैसे क्रिएट करते हो, फिर ये कहाँ जाता है, ये कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म होता है. He always, and he never wanted to stop learning, and there was so much life in him just because of that. And it was just incredible to be working with him. Just a
Awesome.
big loss.
एक और I truly agree. He was just a mesmerizing person. Like, I mean,
Yeah.
I've met him. My last interview was with him, and he was just so awesome. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm sure they're having a great film
I'm
unfolding
pretty
up
sure.
there, with him and Sushant and with Rishi Saab and everyone. I know. So, anyways, somebody's again, Jasmine has asked, how do you choose, what is the next set of roles on your wish list? And are you focused towards a particular platform? Are you open to everything, that I'll do everything?
I don't want to limit myself. ये इतना exciting time जब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि सब लोग सब कर सकते, तो मुझे तो limit नहीं करना है अपने आप को to one platform. I would want to grab opportunities everywhere and anywhere. In terms of what kind of roles, I definitely want to I want to be focused about the fact that I don't want to do the characters that I have so far played with, played, not with, especially the girl next door kind of roles. I don't want to do those because abhi wo main kar chuki hu. Now I really want to. I feel like I have only not explored the realms of my abhi pata bhi kaise chalega कि मैं वो कर पाऊंगी या नहीं, तो मैं करती नहीं हूँ. So I was so glad that that I offered Masha to me, because I wouldn't have envisioned myself playing a character like Masha. So that was exciting. So likely, exactly like that, matlab. I want to do negative roles. I want to be part of thrillers. I want to be fully, like, when I watched Killing Eve, I was like, yaar, assassin ka role karna hai yaar.
Killing Eve, I mean,
बड़ा मजा
Mithila, आपको Killing Eve देख के तो कतई नहीं यार. I mean, honestly, but you're an actor, you can change yourself, honestly. मगर मालूम नहीं क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको, because you have that very sweet vibe. अब मैं क्या बोलूं? But what is your
that's
take
the
on
thing,
this?
na? With a sweet face and just be
And
an
she can
assassin.
kill
Nobody
with
will
her
doubt
sweetness.
you. Yeah.
Agree. They should make a film like that. Netflix को phone करते हैं. And lastly, what is your take on the censorship debate?
I feel like there should be certification, not censorship. Because I mean, for somebody who's come from a time where I did not have to limit myself for anything while creating content, I mean, it is, of course, anything that limits you will hold you back. But like I said, as content creators, there's nothing stopping us. So I feel like, see, the most important things are that it's true that with great power comes great responsibility. I feel like this power that has been vested upon us, the fact that there is so much liberty that is available, I think we have to use it responsibly. I think that we are very intelligent, sensitive, and aware creators, where we can use our discretion and know what what we can do, what we can't do. And it is, like, again, like I said, in a diverse country like India, it's very hard to please everybody. So हर एक के लिए एक kind of content, so there will always be an audience, and yet there will be an audience which will not like what you do. So you keep telling stories in the best way possible. I mean, obviously ना हो तो अच्छा ही होगा, but you still find a way out.
Totally. And आपको, मैंने भी लास्ट टाइम आपसे बात की थी, आपके प्लान का, इट्स ओके टू नॉट हैव अ प्लान, अभी भी वही चालू है? जस्मीन ने भी ये पूछा है, प्लान नहीं चाहिए?
बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए.
Awesome. Totally. वैसे सिंगिंग का परस्यू करोगे? You sing so well. Any plans to do playback and
I've not really thought about it, but I should totally take it up and do something about that. Do like one album or one single गा लूंगी कहीं. But देखते हैं. I've sung songs for Karva. I've sung a song for Karva. I've sung a song for my Marathi film Muramba title track. I've sung. So जब opportunities मिलती है, I make most of it. But I have not created that opportunity for me yet. But let's see. वो भी कर लेंगे।
वो कर लोगी, मुझे पता है। तो वैसे कौन सा गाना है ऑन लूप जो आपके दिमाग में चलता रहता है, अगर हमारे लिए गुनगुना दो, जो चलता रहता है?
ऐसे तो बड़े सारे गाने हैं, मुझे पता नहीं मैंने आपके लिए लास्ट कौन सा गाना गाया था, अभी मुझे लग रहा है मैं वही
लग
गाना
जा
गाऊंगी।
गले, लग जा गले
हाँ,
गाया था।
ओके ओके, सो नॉट दैट, ठीक है, सो देन आई विल
हम्म,
सिंग अनदर वन।
जी।
ओ मेरे हम सफर, प्यार की राह पर साथ चले हम मगर क्या खबर, रास्ते में कहीं रह गए हम नशी, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ, जाने जा ढूंढती फिर रही हूँ तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ, मुझको आवाज दो, चुप गए हो सनम, तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ।
Awesome. You rock it यार। पर कर लो एक एल्बम, सच में,
ठीक है
honestly.
आपके लिए बस।
Yes, thank you. All the very best. More power to you. Till we meet again.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
very soon.
Very soon. I'm
Bye.
sure very soon. Bye. Bye.